Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Question 17, if you want to find the rate of transfer of energy that is wasted, right? So you want to find the power that is wasted. So let's look at what the question tells us. It tells us that the volume that is used per hour here, and they also told you what is the useful power. So what you can probably do is to find the total input power. So from the total input power, which is you take from how much volume of fuel you consume, you can subtract your power output, you'll be able to get the power wasted, which is what they want. So let's find the power input, because power output is 40 watt. So how to find the power input? Now, if they gave you this volume of fuel that is used per hour, all right, then they also told you how much energy is in 1 centimeter cube of fuel. So if I take the volume of fuel consumed per hour, change it to second, that's why it's 1 hour times 60 minutes times 60 seconds. I times the energy in 1 centimeter cube. You will notice that the centimeter cube will cancel, and you'll be left with joule per second, which is the power input. So this is your power input. So your power input, subtract your power output here, and then you will get your wasted power.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with 1 or 2 past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.